Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on My Freedom Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mylogin.freedommortgage.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for your Freedom Mortgage account right away. Now in order to log in, just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account, and then within the password box underneath, type in your account password. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your My Freedom Mortgage account right away. In case you forgot your email address or your password, you can click on the forgot email as well as the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. If you run across any errors, you can call on the given number at the top right corner and your issue will be resolved right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account with Freedom Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.